Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial on this look that I'm wearing right now. It's just a very fresh, kind of glowy spring look. I wanted to do something for spring and peachy and yeah, this look. I'm gonna keep the intro really short. I tried a few new products in this video just so you guys can see how those products perform. So anyways, if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, then please just keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to start off with these eye gels that I got in a BoxyCharm. I'm just going to use it while I do my eye makeup since I'm going to do my eye makeup first. And just to prep my eyelids, I'm first going to just take some concealer. I'm using the Makeup Revolution concealer. I'm going to use it later in the video as well, but I'll link it down below. And I'm just using that to carve out my brows just to clean up underneath, and then I'm going to take it down onto the eyelids because I'm actually just going to use it as a base for my eyeshadow. So it'll just help the eyeshadows blend and also make them look more vibrant. And I'm just going to blend that out with a big fluffy brush. And then just to set that, I'm going to take this white shade or off-white shade in the 35O palette and just apply it over top that concealer. And then taking this light orange shade, I'm going to begin the eyes just starting in the crease. And I'm just going to start blending it and building the color towards the outer corner of the eye and then also into the crease. And then I'm taking this deeper orange shade and I'm kind of focusing it in the outer corner, but also kind of blending it into the crease as well, just to create that kind of cat eye effect. And I'm using a smaller fluffy brush for that, just to get the color nice and deep. And then I use a brush that has no product on it, just to kind of blend everything out. And then taking an even smaller brush, I'm going to apply this deep orangey red shade to the outer corner. And then for the inner corner, I'm first going to take that same concealer and I'm just going to kind of do like a cut crease. Not really, but I'm just going to carve out the lid space a little bit just to make this shade more vibrant. I'm just using this bright champagne shade from the palette. I'm going to apply that over the concealer and then go back in with that deepish reddish orange shade that I used last on the eyes, and I'm just going to take a little bit of that on my brush and then just kind of blend it into that shade so that everything's seamless. And then I'm going to apply mascara and a little bit of that shimmer shade to the brow bone. And then I'm going to apply falsies. These are the Creative Soul Cosmetics lashes in Inspired. And then for the face, I'm going to start off with moisturizer. I'm using my Embryolisse moisturizer. I think I'm saying that right. It's one of my favorites. So I'm just applying that to my face and neck. And then for primer, I'm using my Milk Blur Stick because it is life. I swear if you haven't tried this, you need to try it. It is amazing. It blurs everything on your face and also controls oils. So I just apply that and then tap it in with my fingers. And then for foundation, I'm using the Koh Gen Do Aqua Foundation. And I'm going to mix a little bit of this Tarte Luminizer just to get that nice natural glow. And this foundation doesn't have a lot of coverage. I'm going to use a lot of concealer later on, but it's just a nice base. And it looks very healthy and skin-like, which I really like. So, good foundation. A little expensive, but it's worth it. So I'm just going to blend that out with a damp beauty blender, just kind of pouncing the product into my skin. And as you can see, the coverage is very light, but that's kind of what I'm going for. No one wants to wear a heavy foundation in spring or summer, so we're keeping it light. And then I'm going to color correct these massive pimples on my face. Obviously you don't have to do that, but I'm just using a little bit of green concealer. And now I'm going in with that Makeup Revolution concealer, and I'm going to go under my eyes and then over the color correcting spots, and then also just on my chin and my forehead and down the bridge of my nose. And the reason why I use so much concealer is because the foundation was so light. But if you're using a heavier foundation, you can definitely ease up on the concealer a bit. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and do the same thing with my beauty blender, blend everything out, and then I'm going to pretty much set the entire center of my face with RCMA no color powder. And this is just going to make sure that everything is locked into place. And then I just brush that off with a big fluffy brush. And most importantly, I go over all of the areas that had powder on them with my damp beauty blender, because it helps to soak up excess powder and it will prevent you from getting flashback Mary in all of your photos. So definitely do not skip this step. And I'm going to take that same light orange shade to the lower lash line, and then that deepish reddish orange shade as well, just to tie together the eyes. And then for bronzer, I'm using the TheBalm Bahama Mama bronzer, and I'm just going to liven up the face again and give me some color and definition. I love this bronzer. It's very dark. Well, it comes off very dark, but once you blend it out, it definitely gives you that really nice kind of sun-kissed glow. So I'm just going to apply that to my cheekbones, under my jawline, and then also around my forehead. And for blush, I'm using this Tigerlily blush from Becca Cosmetics. It's been one of my favorites for a while. Just the perfect peachy shimmery shade, and it's so beautiful. I'm in love with it. So I'm just applying that to my cheekbones, and then I'm going to spritz my highlighter brush with a little spray, and going in with this Makeup Geek Luster highlighter, I'm just going to apply that to my cheekbones, the forehead right above the bridge of the brow, and then a little bit down the bridge of my nose. And then I'm taking that same spray, which is the Cover FX Luminizing Spray, and I'm just going to spray my entire face. And then for lips, I'm using this Colourpop lipstick in the shade Appy.
Alright guys, that is it for this makeup tutorial. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Please let me know what you think down in the comments below, and also please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Yeah, and I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys!